Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I prepare my protein smoothies every morning for breakfast. Okay, so you're gonna need one banana, strawberries, oats, peanut butter, protein powder. This is the one I use, and unsweetened almond milk. Okay, so first off, you're going to add your banana. Then you're going to add your strawberries. I add 3. Then you're going to add 1/3 cup of oats. Okay, then you're going to add half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Then I add the scoop of peanut butter, scoop of protein powder. Okay, then we blend and we pour it into cup. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is what I drink every morning for breakfast.